In the culminating chapter of How to Make Your First Million, Vincent Arte illuminates the transformative power of philanthropy and explores the profound impact of giving back. Titled Giving Back and Philanthropy, this chapter serves as the crescendo of the financial journey outlined in the book, emphasizing the inherent connection between wealth and the ability to effect positive change in the world. Arte commences the chapter by framing philanthropy as the natural evolution of financial success. He contends that achieving one's first million isn't merely a personal triumph, but an opportunity to contribute to the well-being of others and society at large. This sets the stage for a profound exploration of the principles, strategies, and rewards associated with strategic giving. At its core, the chapter advocates for a purpose-driven approach to philanthropy. Arte guides readers to introspectively identify causes and issues that resonate with their values and passions. By aligning philanthropic efforts with personal convictions, he argues, individuals can infuse their giving with authenticity and create a more profound impact. Arte provides practical exercises and frameworks to help readers discover their philanthropic purpose, emphasizing the idea that strategic giving goes beyond financial contributions and involves active engagement and advocacy. Arte masterfully integrates the concept of strategic philanthropy into the narrative. He asserts that, much like any other strategic endeavor, philanthropy benefits from careful planning and thoughtful execution. Arte introduces readers to impactful giving models, such as venture philanthropy and social entrepreneurship, emphasizing the role of innovation and collaboration in addressing societal challenges. By blending business acumen with philanthropic endeavors, individuals can amplify the impact of their contributions. The chapter unfolds as Arte delves into the intricacies of effective giving. He introduces readers to the concept of strategic partnerships, emphasizing collaboration with nonprofits, other philanthropists, and organizations as a means to achieve more significant and sustainable outcomes. Arte elucidates the value of due diligence in selecting reputable and impactful charitable organizations, encouraging readers to research, assess impact metrics, and ensure alignment with their philanthropic goals. In exploring the dynamics of legacy philanthropy, Arte invites readers to contemplate the enduring impact of their charitable endeavors. He presents the idea that philanthropy is not merely about immediate contributions, but a long-term commitment to creating positive change. Arte advocates for a legacy mindset, encouraging readers to consider the lasting impact they wish to leave on the world and future generations. The chapter takes a poignant turn as Arte discusses the emotional and psychological rewards of philanthropy. He contends that the act of giving provides a profound sense of purpose and fulfillment, transcending material success. Arte explores the concept of the giving high, a euphoric sensation associated with making a positive impact. He delves into the intrinsic joy derived from helping others and the potential for philanthropy to contribute to overall life satisfaction. A central theme in this chapter is the integration of philanthropy into one's financial plan. Arte provides practical guidance on budgeting for charitable giving, ensuring that philanthropy becomes a deliberate and sustainable aspect of an individual's financial journey. He introduces the idea of strategic impact investing, where financial resources are channeled into ventures that generate both financial returns and positive social or environmental outcomes. The narrative unfolds as Arte discusses the importance of hands-on engagement in philanthropy. He encourages readers to go beyond financial contributions and actively participate in the causes they support. Whether through volunteering, mentorship, or advocacy, Arte posits that direct involvement fosters a deeper connection with the philanthropic mission and enhances the overall impact. Arte addresses the role of technology and innovation in modern philanthropy. He explores the potential of crowdfunding, social media, and digital platforms in democratizing giving and amplifying the reach of philanthropic initiatives. Arte underscores the importance of leveraging technology to connect with like-minded individuals and organizations, fostering a collaborative ecosystem that extends the influence of charitable endeavors. The chapter draws to a close with Arte emphasizing the concept of a philanthropic lifestyle. He contends that philanthropy is not a one-time event, but an ongoing commitment integrated into daily life. Arte inspires readers to cultivate a mindset of continuous giving, weaving philanthropy into the fabric of their existence and deriving sustained joy from making a positive impact. In conclusion, giving back and philanthropy emerges as a profound exploration of the symbiotic relationship between wealth and philanthropy. Vincent Arte artfully navigates the intricacies of purpose-driven giving, strategic philanthropy, and the emotional rewards associated with making a positive impact. By blending financial success with a commitment to social and environmental causes, Arte positions philanthropy as the ultimate expression of wealth, not just in terms of financial capital, but in the profound influence one can have on the world. This chapter serves as a compelling call to action, inviting readers to embark on a journey of purposeful giving, leaving a lasting legacy of positive change and contributing to the betterment of humanity. Ready to unlock the secrets to financial success? Don't miss out on the full version of the best-selling personal finance book, How to Make Your First Million, by Vincent Arte. Visit vincentarte.com now to grab your copy and embark on the journey to financial freedom. And that's not all. Everyone who buys a book through our website will have the unique opportunity, courtesy of Vincent Arte, to secure lifelong passive income for themselves.